Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Cursor AI in Windows 11. It will be really simple and easy. Open your preferred browser on Windows. In the search bar, type Cursor AI and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Cursor AI website. It should be the first link. Once on the website, look for the Downloads for Windows button and click on it. Select a location on your computer to save the downloaded file and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. The installer will launch and begin installing Cursor AI automatically. You might see a pop-up asking for permissions to run the installer. Click Yes to proceed. After the installation is complete, you will see the Cursor AI icon on your desktop. Double-click on the icon to open the application for the first time. Select Default Keyboard as VS Code. When prompted, select VSS Code as the default keyboard. Click Continue to proceed. Help improve Cursor. You will be asked if you want to help improve Cursor AI by sharing anonymous usage data. Choose your preference and click Continue. To get started, you will need to create an account. Enter your email address in the sign up form and follow the prompts to complete the process. If you already have an account, you can log in instead. Once you have signed up or logged in, you are all set to start using Cursor AI. And that's pretty much it. That's how to install Cursor AI in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.